Hello everyone, my name is Widiana, and today I will be talking about disruption. So, the paper that I chose is titled The Disruptive Triad and Entrepreneurship, a Theoretical Model. This paper is written by Socorro Marquez and Reyes Ortiz on 2021, and then it is published at Journal of Innovation Entrepreneurship. So we'll be moving on to the introduction part. In the fast-paced world of business and innovation, entrepreneurs are constantly navigating the challenges of disruption. But what exactly drives these disruptions, and how can entrepreneurs harness them to create new opportunities? So these models that is introduced by these authors called the concept of the disruptive triad. This offers a fresh perspective on how disruption influences entrepreneurship and provides valuable insights for anyone looking to thrive in today's competitive landscape. This video will break down the key components of the model, discuss its implication, and explore how entrepreneurs can leverage disruption to drive innovation and growth. The first section, I'll be taking you to understand the disruption in entrepreneurship. So, what is the nature of disruption? Disruption has become a buzzword in the world of entrepreneurship, right? But what does it really mean? Disruption refers to significant changes that challenge the status quo, often rendering existing business models, technologies, or products obsolete. These disruptions can stem from various sources, including technological innovations, shifts in market dynamics, or changes in regulatory environments. Entrepreneurs who recognize and respond to these disruptions can create new opportunities for growth and success. However, navigating disruption is not always straightforward. It requires a deep understanding of the forces at play and the ability to adapt quickly to changing conditions. To better understand how disruption impacts entrepreneurships, the writers introduce the concept of the disruptive triad. These models highlight the interconnected relationship between three critical elements: disruption, entrepreneurship, and innovation. The first model is disruption. The meaning of disruption is the initial force that challenges existing norms and creates a need for change. Entrepreneurship is the process by which individuals or organizations identify and pursue opportunities created by disruption. And then innovation is the outcome of entrepreneurial efforts to address disruption, resulting in new products, services, or business models. So, the disruptive triad suggests that these three elements are deeply intertwined, with disruption driving entrepreneurship, which in turn lead into innovation. This cycle is continuous, with each element reinforcing the others over time. The second section will be talking more about the components of the disruptive triad. Let's dive deeper into the first component of the triad, disruption. Disruption acts as the catalyst for change, shaking up industries and forcing businesses to adapt. For example, the rise of digital technology has disrupted traditional media, retail, and financial services, leading to the emergence of new business models like e-commerce, digital marketing, and also fintech. Disruption can also come from shifts in consumer behavior, such as the growing demand for sustainable products or the preference for digital-first experiences. Additionally, regulatory changes like the introduction of new data privacy laws can disrupt industries by creating new challenges and opportunities. The second element is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs plays a crucial role in responding to disruption. They are often the first to recognize the opportunities created by disruptive forces and to take action to capitalize on them. This, of course, requires a combination of vision, agility, and risk-taking. Successful entrepreneurs are able to identify gaps in the market, develop innovative solutions, and bring them to market quickly. For instance, the rise of the gig economy has been driven by entrepreneurs who saw the potential for new business models that leverage technology to connect freelancers with clients. The last element is innovation. Innovation is the tangible outcome of entrepreneurial efforts to address disruption. Innovation can take many forms, from new products and services to entirely new business models. Innovations like ride-sharing platforms, online streaming services, and remote work technologies are all examples of how entrepreneurs have harnessed disruption to create new value. These innovations not only solve immediate challenges, but also pave the way for future growth and development. In the third segment, we'll be talking about the dynamics of the disruptive triad. The authors said that the disruptive triad is not a static model. It's a dynamic process where disruption, entrepreneurship, and innovation continuously interact and influence one another. Disruption creates opportunities for entrepreneurships, which in turn drives innovation. And these innovations can then lead further disruptions, creating a new cycle of continuous change and adaptation. For example, the development of electric vehicles or EVs disrupted the traditional automotive industry. Entrepreneurs recognized the potential of EVs and began innovating with new technologies, business models, and infrastructure. This innovation is now leading to further disruptions in related industries, such as energy and transportation. One of the key insights from the disruptive triad model is the presence of feedback loops that drive evolutionary change. As innovations emerge in response to disruption, they create new conditions that can lead to further disruptions. Remember, this process is iterative, with each cycle building on the previous one. These feedback loops ensure that the triad remains in constant motion, driving the evolution of industries and markets. Entrepreneurs who understand these dynamics can position themselves to take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. In the segment 4, it will be talking about practical implications and strategies. So, what does this model mean for entrepreneurs in practice? Here are some strategies to consider. The first one, stay attuned to disruption. Entrepreneurs should continuously monitor their industry and the broader market for signs of disruption. This involves staying informed about technological advances, regulatory changes, and shifts in consumer behavior. The next one, embrace agility and flexibility. In such a disruptive environment, the ability to pivot quickly is crucial. Entrepreneurs should build flexibility into their business models and be prepared to adapt as new opportunities or challenges arise. The second strategy is to foster a culture of innovation by encouraging creativity and experimentation within your organization. A culture that values innovation is more likely to generate the new ideas and solutions needed to navigate disruption. The last study will be to leverage networks and collaboration. Disruption often requires resources and expertise beyond what a single entrepreneur can provide. Hence, building strong networks and collaborating with others can help entrepreneurs access the knowledge, skills, and capital needed to succeed. The next one will be talking about case studies of entrepreneurs successfully navigating disruption. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of entrepreneurs who have successfully navigated disruption. Consider how Airbnb disrupted the traditional hospitality industry by recognizing the growing demand for unique, affordable travel experiences. By leveraging technology and creating a platform that connects hosts with travelers, Airbnb transformed the industry and continues to innovate with new offerings and services. Another example is Netflix, which disrupted the traditional media industry by shifting from DVD rentals to online streaming. By continually innovating and adapting to changes in consumer behavior and technology, Netflix has maintained its position as a leader in the entertainment industry. Finally, last example is from my last and current company, Gojek, which disrupted the traditional ojek or offline transportation into on-demand services where customer can ask and order anything from the application itself. The next section will be talking about the last part of this paper, which is conclusion, final thoughts, and future research. In conclusion, this disruptive triad provides a powerful framework for understanding the relationship between disruption, entrepreneurship, and innovation. By recognizing and responding to disruption, entrepreneurs can drive innovation and create new opportunities for growth. However, it's important to remember that this process is dynamic and ongoing. Entrepreneurs must remain agile and adaptable to succeed in a constantly changing environment. Looking ahead, there is much to explore in terms of how different types of disruption impact various industries and how entrepreneurs can best position themselves to take advantage of these changes. As the business landscape continues to evolve, the insights from the disruptive triad will remain highly relevant for anyone looking to thrive in the face of disruption. The model provided by the writers offers valuable insights into how disruption, entrepreneurship, and innovation are interconnected. For entrepreneurs or business leaders, this research is expected to give some practical strategies for navigating the disruptive forces in the respected industry. As now we understand the future belongs to those who can see opportunities in the face of disruption and act swiftly to bring new ideas to life. That's all from me. Thank you very much. See you next time.